Hello everyone. Hello everyone. In this video I will explain you another class, that is Q directory class. So what do you mean by directory? First you have to understand what is the directory. Directory means it is a folder. How to create. So see, initially we have, in the previous video I have also explained you how to create the file, how to create the text file or any file, how to create. But in this video I will explain you how to create the directory or folder, because both have the same meaning. So let's first create a project. It's going to be a widgets application. Give the name QDir 3. Next, 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 next. No need of the git. Next. So I have created the directory. If you want to learn anything about the Q directory, just go to here and search here Q directory. So click on Q directory class. So basically this class provides the directory structure and their content. So this is is used to manipulate path name, access information regarding the file, and manipulate under the file system. It can also be used to access the resource system also, and there are how you can decide the path, and this is how you can create the directory. And like see, there is, you can also open the png file also. So there are the so many method, and that you can use all these method in your class. So let's first go to here, click on UI page, and let's first take one list widget. So what is list widget? List widget is basically to display the number of items. So I will explain you in detail what is list widget. Just try to take the one list widget and take one combo box here, and I will also use one push button also. Just take one push button and select all three and give them a layout, vertical layout, and select this our main window and click on layout. So this is how it will form. Just a little bit resize this so that you will understand. So yeah, this is better. And now come to main window.cpp. Let's first add the header file, include QD directory, and in the constructor let's first create the directory by using Q directory class, and let's give the object name directory. And you can also like give the path. You can, if you want, you can give the path of your directory. Like how you can give the path of your directory, just like suppose let's assume that in your C directory, let's take some random directory or which is not in your system. Suppose my directory name is random, which is not in my system. And now sorry, this is the path. Okay, I am checking random check of directory, random check of directory, random check of directory, and let's write the code if this is exist or not. Okay, and let's write if. So my object name is directory dot, let's call one function exist. So what this function will do if this is exist. And let's first add one more header file here, hashtag include q message box, to print some information message if this is exist. So I will print one message box, q message box, that's going to be a information, and which parent this class, comma, title of the message I am going to same as it is it. And what is my message? Message is true, that if it is exists, then it will print the true. If else else if it is not exist, then print q message box, same information with current object, title, but here I am printing the false. So this is how you can check whether it is whether this directory is exist or not. So let me run. First let's build this project. So the build is now successful. Let's run. See, it automatically print the message is false. Why? Because the type of the file, if I click OK, my UI page will open. Because the random directory that I have taken, it is not exist in my system. Here in my system it is not exist. So now let's check with some genuine path. So now I am click on main window.main.cpp and click on show in explorer, and then let's copy this path. Copy this path. So just copy, Control C and paste here. Paste here. Just remove this with forward slash, because I'm using the Qt on window. So this will change with forward slash. So if I run this again, because now this directory is now exist, so it will print the true message. See, it is true. What does that mean? That this directory, the path you have provided, is exist. So this is how you can check. This is how you can check the message, check the directory exists or not. And now let's do some other thing also. So I'm just comment out this, and let's check some other things also. Just this message, this thing will be there. And now what I'm trying to say is, now let's check how many drives in my system is there. Like we are saying that we have so many drives. Like in my system there is one drive, this PC. So I have only one drive, local disk, that is the C drive. But in some system there are some D drive also, E drive also. So let's check in particular how to check the in particular system how many drives is there. So let's call one function, that is for each in that my variable, and let's in that container, what is my object name? dir direct dot, let's call the function drive. Okay, and in here we have to give the q file info variable, and let's check. Let's print this in our combo box. So in my combo box, whatever I have taken, let's call by using the combo box add item. In that add item, that is var dot absolute path. Let's print absolute file path. What does that mean, absolute file path? It will print how many drives is there in this variable. That so this will loop for each, means loop, it will loop from the q file info, like how many files is there in my directory, in my drives, and in that it will add in the combo box by using the calling add item, and this will print the path of that directory. So let's run. So let me build. So build successfully. See, in my combo box there is only one drive, that is the C drive. If there is another drive also, so it will add automatically here, like C drive, D drive, all the things will come here. And now let's do some other thing also, like if you want to uh, if you want to check whether in my let's first check whether the drive let's comment out first. And now if you want to check like this, so this is what this is my what we can say, that this is my the directory path, right, that we have created. And now let's check if the directory is, sorry, we have to, it will remain there. So just comment out this. And now, so we have one C drive. Now if you want to check whether the drive is file or directory, how you can check? So so let's first print again for each loop, for each loop. In that for each loop, and this will container. So just cut the container and give the directory dot check on entry info list, call the entry info list function, and here the same q file info. And now let's again in that, let's call one function, that is if my variable, that is file dot is directory, if it is directory, then if it is directory, then what we have to do, we have to print in the UI list widget that we have created on my UI page, and call the add item function, add item. Now let's add directory. So first call the dir plus, it will add the directory var dot absolute path, absolute file path. And let's give another condition, if var dot is file, then UI list widget add item, then here give the file plus var dot absolute path, absolute file path, just let me remove this and give one here, so it will, yes, everything is okay. So now let's build. Okay, so here it is not like that. Now I think it is okay. Q directory, okay, what is the problem? Let me check. I think what is the error? Redeclaration. Okay, So I have to, why I have to give the same object name, so just give the just change this object name, because I have given the same object name, right? Any other. Okay, just comment out this also. For some time now, q directory dir dot. Okay, now I think it will. Okay, let's check. Okay, so it is successful. So let's run this. Okay, see. So in my main window.cpp file, in the show, in the dat, there are three directory and four file. So this is how you can separate file and directory, like the basic of Qt, and these last five file are the file and three are the directory. So this is how you can display, right? This is how you can display. So this is the part one of the main of directory, because this video is going to be long. So in the next video I will explain you how to create the file. Thank you so much.